Here we are in an ensuite bathroom or a primary bathroom, usually the bathroom off of the main bedroom in the house. These bathrooms get completely gutted right down to the bare walls and subfloor. We usually leave the drywall on the ceiling so we don't impact the insulation above it in the attic space. When the bathroom is completely gutted, we check all the areas for past leaks, rotten plywood, rotten 2x4s, or any mold, and that all gets dealt with within the quote. We then rebuild the bathroom to the new configuration. If we know if we're moving sinks, showers, or toilets, our professional plumbers and electricians come in and move these features around the bathroom as needed. We update all the electrical and plumbing to make sure it's up to building code standards. So new pot light in the shower. Depending on the size of the vanity and how many sinks it has, we have receptacles per code. The fan, which is vented to the exterior of the home, we go right through the attic and ensure that the vent from the outside of the home is replaced, and that is placed on a 60-minute timer. The lighting is dimmed above the vanity, or an LED lit mirror can be dimmed, and the light in the shower is also dimmed. You get all new drywall throughout and all new trim. You can choose to change your doors and upgrade your trim if you like. We also do wall features so that the tile that is inside the shower gets extended beyond the glass or wherever you'd like a feature wall. In this particular bathroom, we have a heated floor. We also have hanging wall fixtures for towels and robes. And when we have the walls open, we make sure there's proper backing behind these so you can continue to hang your things on them and they don't fall out of the walls. And that is a Bosch Services bathroom. Thanks for watching.